Johnson, what is really energetic, compact in size, packed with a lot of power, positive, but sometimes also negative?
You? Think of your car battery as the main electrical source powering up your car. From the radio, to the power windows, to whether your car can start up early in the morning depends on your battery. There are many types of batteries out there in the market. The most common one is the wet cell battery, which is the one we are going to use today.
First of all, you would need battery, wrench, gloves, brush and sandpaper if you have a battery charger. We
start off with the positive battery post. Uncover the battery post. Loosen the screw that's fastening the cable to the battery. Loosen the negative post, which is black. We can use the battery charger to provide constant power. Remove the cables from the battery. Place it somewhere safe on the engine, away from any wirings or metal parts. Most batteries are fastened down by a battery holder. Loosen the nuts for the battery fasteners and remove the catch. The battery can now be lifted off. Since we have the battery out, use sandpaper or the metal brush to polish the contact points. A clean contact point makes a battery more efficient by reducing resistance. Replace it with a new battery. Be mindful of the orientation of the battery, as the battery cable might not be long enough if it is reversed. Fasten the battery post again by hooking the fastener securely before tightening the nuts down. Turn on the ignition to test cranking.
So Johnson, what are we going to do with this old battery right here?
We can save the environment by recycling it. You can send them to Urban R Recycle, IPC Recycling Center, The Hive, Community Recycle for Charity, and The Battery Man.
And for more information, you can check out the link that we have provided in the description below. Have fun!
My friend Ree is a hardworking man. He always tries to better himself. What do we call him?
I don't know.
Battery. Battery? Battery. Battery.
What is really energetic? Blah, 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 blah.
You can send them to our recycle crap. Think of your car battery as the main electrical power source. What?
Cut.